So if you're a regular lunch hour legal marketing listener, you know how much Conrad and I just adore listener feedback, and we regularly put out requests for topics and questions and hit us up with your whatever you want to know. And so we're super grateful when people respond. And Herman Law PA recently reached out on Instagram. Yep, Lunch Hour Legal Marketing's on Instagram, in case you didn't know. And Herman Law PA asks, or says, "Hey guys, following up on your episode about Google Biz Profile, we noticed that a certain owner feature has been removed. Google used to show you how many views and clicks each of our company updates received, but now none of that info is shown anywhere. Any insight?" So I'm going to pause there. If you're logged in as an owner on a Google Business Profile and you do a search for your firm or your business name, you should see a little administrative panel that shows, some Search Console data for, actually, technically, I guess it's Google Business Profile data. Also, Search Console's in there. But you also see these administrative things like you can edit and it'll show clicks and things like that. If you don't see that, one of three things has happened. One, you accidentally didn't log into the browser that you're in as an owner, right? So you're logged in as something else, problem. Okay, you're not going to see it. Two, maybe you are logged in, but something happened and your Google account is no longer the owner. And in fact, we've seen hackers trying to steal ownership of Google Business Profiles from businesses. That's a problem. And so I would go check to make sure, go log into your Google Business Profile dashboard and make sure you're still an owner there. And three is yes. Yeah, panic. And three is yes, Google Business Profiles are super buggy. And so you might just be dealing with an intermittent bug. In fact, we'll try to follow up with you to see if this issue is resolved for you. But usually it's one of those three things. I can tell you, we just checked before the show. Google is for a verified, logged in business owner. You should be seeing the information that's missing right now. I just checked for a handful of firms in our company, and that information is still there. So it's not actually been formally removed. Continuing, also, topic suggestion to explain all of this Linktree business popping up and best practices for that. Anyway, keep up the great work and witty banter. Loyal listener, Herman Law, PA. On Linktree. So these link bio tools really gained popularity because of Instagram, because Instagram does not allow you to drop links. Instead of dropping those links in Instagram, you add them to your link bio. And so when someone clicks on the link in your bio information on Instagram, they have options to either, go to your podcast. You can also do it for individual pages and posts. So if you want to hide, a lot of the news publishers, they'll be like, they'll do a post and then they'll say, if you want to read more about this, click the link in the bio. And then the link in the bio will populate a bunch of their recent articles. And you just look for the one that you were looking for. You click on it and it will take you through. So that's what that's all about. Best practice for me is, it's really about highlighting what you want to have highlighted there, right? So I think video content, if you're on YouTube, I think getting people back to your podcast. I've seen some lawyers do an email grab there. Like if you want to actually sign up for our updates, I think that can be pretty cool. But what it really is instead of having links in the actual posts, it's a place to use links on sites like Instagram.
All right.
That's that. Thanks again.
That's that.
Appreciate
Thanks
it.
again.
Appreciate the feedback.
Money makes a world go round. Money makes a world go round. Yeah, money make a world go round. Money